Good morning, guys. We are at the Reykjavik airport, which, a fun fact, is not the Keflavik International Airport, as many would think. Me and Uncle Danny are going for a helicopter ride on a Reykjavik summit landing to watch over the views.
So where are you from? England?
Iceland.
Iceland. Okay.
Australia.
Australia.
Ireland.
So follow me, please.
I get to sit in the front. Nice. Reykjavik summit landing, we is here. Behind me over there you can see Bláfjöll, or Blue Mountains, which is the ski area in Iceland. I'm gonna head out there later today for a snowboarding session. This trip is all about the views. We summited on a strip line of volcanoes. This is one ridge and craters all around. They haven't been active for, I think, 1,000 years, so I don't think I'm in danger. I think we're about to head off again, so I'm gonna go into the chopper to become the co-pilot again. We were supposed to have champagne at the top, but the pilot forgot. This woman in our group, it was her birthday and nobody wanted to have champagne with her. I can't have that, so cheers.
Yes, cheers.
I'm not gonna leave you hanging.
Okay, cheers.
Yeah, we're going. Photo.
Cheers.
Oh, okay, like that.
This trip was really cool. I mean, just seeing Reykjavik from above, the views were crazy. I had such a good time. If you want to do something totally different and out of the ordinary, taking a helicopter ride in Reykjavik, that's a story worth telling. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, everything, and I'll see you again next week. Later.